What happened to our, what this is basically, what happened to our kettle filter was the clip-on little filter that clips on the inside of the spout to filter out all the bits of limescale. They're usually on modern kettles made out of a thin, flimsy plastic mesh. So after a few years, it sort of, if it gets slightly touched or knocked, it tears. So I cut up an old cafetiere French press, coffee filter thing, stainless steel mesh. Sterilised it, dried it, cut it apart into a piece, and then I got a hot knife and pressed the stainless steel mesh into the plastic. Obviously, the heat from the knife goes through the mesh, softens the plastic, which then melts through the mesh and then sort of gets squashed around the top, so it stops it coming off. I left a little overhang, and I've run it with the tip of a teaspoon. I run around the edge so it's not sharp, and that's basically made a new filter for the kettle. You can see that okay? Yeah, the zoom's not very good quality on this camera. So there you go, that's a new filter. Well, the old filter recycled. Hopefully it'll keep the crap out of the tea and coffee. You can't use glue, because if you use glue, the glue would then soften or disintegrate and you get bits of glue in your coffee. And because plastic is inert with relation to hot water, well, I'm not talking scientifically, but as far as I can assume, the plastic's been chosen for this filter is safe for water. So the plastic itself is the glue. It's being softened into the metal and holding it in, so it's pretty safe.